Good morning, students. This is Suresh, Maths faculty from DAV High School, STSTPS, AP Genco, Nail Tour. In this video, we are starting new chapter comparing quantities using proportion. Chapter 5 in class 8 mathematics. In part 1, we are going to discuss definition of ratio, compound ratio, and percentage, finding the increase or decrease in percentage, and exercise 5.1 problems. The definition of ratio. In comparing two quantities of the same kind, the fraction which expressed by how many times the first quantity is greater or smaller than the second quantity is called the ratio between the first quantity and the second quantity. The mathematical symbol of ratio is two dots. It is written as say 1:4 and read as 1:4. The first of the two quantities forming a ratio is called antecedent and the second is called the consequent of the ratio. The two together are called the terms of the ratio. The unit must be the same to compare two quantities. If we have to compare two quantities with the different units, then we need to convert them in the same unit. Then only they can be compared using ratio. Next topic, compound ratio. For two or more ratios, if we take antecedent as product of antecedents of the ratio and consequent as product of consequence of the ratios, then the ratio thus formed is called mixed or compound ratio. For example, compound ratio of m:n and p:/q is product of antecedent. That means m into p, mp is to product of consequence, n into q, nq. Next topic, proportion. If we say that two ratios are equal, then it is called proportion. Example, a by b is equal c by d. We write it as a is to b, is as c is to d. Here is as symbol for proportion, or a is to b is equal to c is to d. Extreme terms and middle terms of proportion. Here the first and fourth term in the proportion are called extreme terms, and the second and the third terms of proportion are called the middle or the mean terms. In this statement of proportion, the four terms which we have written in order are called the respective terms. Formula of proportion, we can write product of extremes is equal to product of means, that is a into d is equal to b into c. The word percent symbolically written as means in every 100 or per 100. To change the percentage to a fraction, write it as a fraction with a denominator 100 and simplify if possible. To change it to a decimal, change the fraction so obtain to a decimal. The change fractions and decimals to percentage multiple by 100. Next, we are going to discuss percentage increase or decrease. To increase a quantity by a percentage, find the percentage of the quantity and add it to the original quantity. Next one, to decrease a quantity by a percentage, find the percentage of the quantity and subtract it from the original quantity. We often come across such information in daily life as the first one, 25% off on marked prices. Second one, 10% hike in the price of petrol. Example for percentage in increase. Price of a car was rupees 3,27,000 before 2 years. It has increased 10% this year. What is the price now? Solution. Given the price of a car before 2 years is equal to 3,27,000. We know that increased price means 10% off 3,27,000. Here 3,27,000 is a original price before 2 years. That is called 10 by 100 into 3,27,000. That is called 2 zeros cancel means 3,270 multiple with 10, 32,700. Next step, the present price is equal to old price plus increased amount. That is called 3,27,000 plus 32,700. After add, we get 3,59,700. Therefore, the price of a car now is 3,59,700 rupees. Let us discuss exercise 5.1 problems. First question, find the ratio of the following. The first question, Smita works in office for 6 hours and Kajal works for 8 hours in her office. Find the ratio of their working hours. Solution for first one. The ratio of working hours of Smita and Kajal is equal to 6:8. Here cancel with 2 table. 2 3s are 2 4s are. That is equal 3:4. And 3:4 we can call simplest form or standard form. Second question. One pot contains 8 liters of milk while other contains 750 milliliter. Solution for second question. 8 liters is to 750 milliliter. Ratio means the two quantities must be same kind. So the liters convert into milliliters. That is 8 into 1000 milliliter. Since 1 liter is equal 1000 milliliters is to 750. That is equal 8 into 1000 means 8000 by 750. Cancel 0 and 0 and cancel with 25 table. 25 3s are 25 3s are 25 2s are. That is equal 32:3. Question number 3. Speed of cycle is 15 km per hour and the speed of the scooter is 30 km per hour. Solution for third question. The ratio of speeds of a cycle and a scooter is equal to 15:30. That is equal, cancel with 15 table. 15 1s are 15 2s are. That is equal 1:2. Question number 2. If the compound ratio of 5:8 and 3:7 is 45:x, find the value of x. Solution. The compound ratio of 5:8 and 3:7 is equal to 5/8 into 3/7. That is equal. Compound ratio means product of antecedents is to product of consequence. So 5 3s are 15 and 8 7s are 56. According to the sum, 15:56 is equal to 45:x. We know if two ratios are equal, then are said to be in proportion. So 15:56 is equal to 45/x. Here cancel with the 15 table. 15 1s are 15 3s are. That implies 1/56 is equal to 3/x. That implies cross multiplication. 1 into x, x. That is equal 56 into 3. Next step, x is equal 56 3s are 168. Next question. In a primary school, there shall be 3 teachers to 60 students. If there are 400 students enrolled in the school, how many teachers should be there in the school in the same ratio? Solution. Number of teachers are required for 400 students at the rate of 3 teachers to 60 students are. That implies 60:3 is equal to 400:x. That implies 60:3 we can write 60/3. That is equal 400:x. We can write 400/x. That implies cross multiplication. X is equal 400 into 3/60. Here cancel with 3. 3 1s are 3 20s are. 20 1s are 20 20s are 400. So x is equal 20. Therefore require number of teachers for 400 students is equal to 20 teachers. Next question. In the given figure, ABC is a triangle. Write all possible ratios by taking measures of sides pairwise. Solution. Observe the picture. Length of AB is equal to 8 cm. Length of BC is equal to 6 cm. Length of AC is equal to 10 cm. In triangle ABC, AB is to BC. That is equal. Length of AB is equal to 8 is to length of BC is equal 6. That is equal 2 4 2 3 that equal 4 is to 3. Next step, BC is to AB. That is equal 6 is to 8. That is equal 2 3 2 4 Next step, BC is to CA. Substitute length of BC and CA. That is 6 and 10. That is called 2 3 2 5 That is equal 3 is to 5. Next step, CA is to BC. That is equal length of CA is equal 10 cm. Length of BC is equal 6 cm. Here cancel with 2 table. 2 5 2 3 Next step, CA is to AB is equal to length of CA is 10 cm. Length of AB is equal 8 cm. Cancel with here 2 table. 2 5 2 4 Next step, AB is to CA. That is equal length of AB is equal 8 cm. And length of CA is equal 10 cm. Cancel with 2 table. 2 4 2 5 Next question. If 9 out of 24 students scored below 75% marks in a test, find the ratio of students scored below 75% marks to the students scored 75% and above marks. Solution. Out of 24 students who got below 70% of marks is equal to 9 students. Therefore, number of students got 75% and above marks is equal to 24 minus 9, that is equal 15. Therefore, the ratio between number of students who got less than 75% of marks and who got 75% and above marks, that is equal 9 is to 15. Here cancel with 3 table. 3 3 3 5 Next question. Find the ratio of number of vowels in the word Mississippi to the number of consonants in the simplest form. Solution. Number of vowels in the word Mississippi, that is equal 4. That are 4 eyes. Number of consonants in that word 7. That are M, 4S, 2 P's. Total 7 consonants in the word Mississippi. Therefore, the ratio between vowels and consonants is equal to 4 is to 7. The 4 is to 7 is a simplest form because 4 and 7 are co-primes. Next question. Rajendra and Rehana own a business. Rehana receives 25% of the profit in each month. If Rehana received 2080 rupees in a particular month, what is the total profit in that month? Solution. Let total profit is equal X rupees. 25% of X is equal to 2080. That is equal 25 by 100 X is equal 2080. Here cancel with the 25 table. 25 1 ja, 25 4 ja. That implies 1 into X, X by 4 is equal to 2080. Next step, X is equal transposing 4 to the right side of the equation. That is 2080 into 4. That implies X is equal 2080 into 4 is equal to 8320 rupees. Therefore, total profit in that month is equal 8320 rupees. Next question, 10th one. In a triangle ABC, AB is equal 2.2 cm, BC is equal 1.5 cm and AC is equal 0.3 cm. In a triangle XYZ, XY is equal 4.4 cm, YZ is equal 3 cm and XZ is equal 4.6 cm. Find the ratio AB is to XY, BC is to YZ, AC is to XZ are the lengths of corresponding sides of triangle ABC and triangle XYZ are in proportion. Solution. AB by XY is equal to, substitute AB and XY length. that is 2.2 by 4.4. That is equal, after cancellation we get 1 by 2 since 2.21 ja 2.22 ja. Next step, BC by YZ, that is equal, length of BC is equal 1.5, length of YZ is equal 3. That is equal 1.51 ja 1.52 ja, that is equal 1 by 2. Next one, AC by XZ, that is equal, length of A equal 2.3, length of XZ is equal 4.6. Here cancel with 2.3. 2.31 ja 2.32 ja, that is equal 1 by 2. Therefore, AB by XY is equal to BC by YZ is equal to AC by XZ, that is equal 1 by 2. Therefore, the corresponding sides of both the triangles are in proportion. So, triangle ABC and triangle XYZ are called similar triangles. Next question. There were 2075 members enrolled in the club during last year. This year enrollment is decreased by 4%. A question. Find the decrease in enrollment. Solution. Number of persons are enrolled in the last year, 2075. Present year number of persons are enrolled, that is equal 4% less than the previous year. A solution. Decrease in enrollment, that is equal 4% of 2075. That is equal 4% means 4 by 100 into 2075. Here cancel with 4 table. 4 1 ja 425 ja. Next 25 1 ja 25 8 ja 25 3 ja. That is equal 83 1 ja 83. Question number B. Members are enrolled during this year. Solution for B. Number of members are enrolled in this year is equal to 2075 minus 4% of 2075. That is equal 2075 minus 4% of 2075 means 83. After subtract, we get 1992. Next question. Points P and Q are both in the line segments AB and on the same side of its midpoint. P divides AB in the ratio 2:3 and Q divides AB in the ratio 3:4. If length of PQ is equal to, then find the length of the line segment AB. Solution. P divides AB in the ratio 2:3 and Q divides AB in the ratio 3:4. Observe the picture. PQ is equal 2 cm, that is given. Then PQ is equal QP minus PB, that is equal QB is equal to 4 parts minus PB is equal to 3 parts. After subtract we got 1 part, that is equal to centimeter. Therefore, the length of AB is equal to AQ plus QB with respect to Q, that is equal 7 parts. Length of AB is equal AP plus PB with respect to P, that is equal 5 parts. Therefore, LCM of 5 and 7 parts is equal 35 parts. Therefore, length of AB is equal 35 parts. That is equal 35 into 2 because 1 part is equal 2 centimeter. That is equal 35 to 70 centimeters. Dear children, along with the home assignment, you can copy exercise 5.1 problems in CW. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.